Hey, what's up? And this young lady came up last week, and I jumped on it. Pull the zoom back right now. We have a Marx Toys Rex Mars generic female space figure in blue vinyl. No markings on her base, no helmet. Year would be, I think, 1954 to 1957. And I got out the other Space Gals. Left to right, another blue vinyl, similar to the one that came out of the package right now. In the middle, a blue plastic, a soft plastic, believed to be from the Captain Space line, and then a cream vinyl, all with helmets. Sure enough, when looking at them later, nuances about the figures start to emerge that I hadn't noticed before. The new gal, who's on the right in these pictures, has a deeper blue, and the other one on the left has a more lustrous and almost glossy surface. They're different enough to both not want to touch, and in the end, the one to paint is probably the soft plastic gal because she has a mashed-in nose. I'm not sure if the camera can really show it, especially against the colored background, but the cream-colored vinyl figure is wearing a vintage 1950s production helmet. The soft plastic in blue is wearing a modern recast. And I'm not sure if you can see, but the helmet on the cream-colored figure is a vintage helmet, and it definitely has sort of a yellowish hue to it. Not sure if that's from aging or just a different kind of plastic than we're using today. Now, I wasn't sure until she came out of the package if she was going to be soft plastic like the one in the middle, or blue vinyl like the one on the left, and she's a vinyl. She's got the dust of ages on her, the grime of having been someone's toy at one time, or else she sat on a shelf for quite a while. Very well sculpted, and no identity to her at all. Back here we've got two Marx females, the lovely Carol Carlisle from Space Patrol on the right, and Dr. Dale Drew from Tom Corbett's Space Cadet on the left. And we've got a helmet here. These two did not come with helmets. She's got places to go, though. So I picked out another, I think this is another recast helmet. I believe that goes to the front. That's where they feed someone an emergency oxygen hose through in some episode. So now she's equipped. All girls get preferential treatment for things like helmets on my ship. Here are the two male Rex Mars figures that I had. Both had significant damage. The guy with the hose was cut from his base, and this dude was missing his hand with the space theodolite or whatever that contraption was. And so now he has a Ziploc bag slider as some sort of space accoutrement that he's looking through. I'm not quite done painting it yet, but the idea would be to have her suit detailings match them, namely orange with the cream colored. I know on this guy, that's his native color there. The one with the hose was blue, so she would get similar treatment. And there is a guy on eBay, of all places, who does a brisk business of selling recast helmets. Not hard to find, and I'm going to spend the rest of my day counting which figures in my collection don't have helmets. They aren't cheap, but they're one of a kind. And I'm going to go make myself a grilled cheese sandwich. Catch you later.